Alright, to raise the Platen, you have to push these two buttons. Temperature's coming on. The Platen comes up till it hits the first proximity switch. Then you can release it and it'll close and build pressure on its own. Right now we're in the low range. This gauge will show the temperature setting once it compresses. And we'll turn on the temperature controller in a little bit. But right now the current Platens are 55, 54 degrees. Okay, pressure's coming up. Okay, we're going to open it. We'll change to high pressure. That'll be this needle here. Close the Platen again. And now we'll turn on the heating rods. The temperature should start increasing. And then you can turn them off here. Now this button here for cleaning or cooling the Platen, turn the cooling, that runs fluid through the Platens to cool it down. The purge is the air that purges the water out of the Platen to keep the contamination down. And these two timers control that. And then again to open it, press and hold to open. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.